that the new display centre is pretty much finished and ready for use, the focus is shifted to the back of the main building. Here, demolition is underway in order to be able to join the back of the warehouse directly into the main building and create space for the new technical centre. And this is because big plans are underway for the current technical area. Really big plans. So this space is definitely worth watching. So next time you are at AM, just pop in and take a look for yourself, as the AM.CO.za's building journey takes on new heights.